Oklahoma's tornado drought may be over. The National Weather Service says a likely tornado in northwestern Oklahoma has ended the state's record start to the year without a twister. Meteorologist John Pike said Wednesday that the funnel cloud captured on video by Coco TV Tuesday afternoon near Buffalo, about 150 miles northwest of Oklahoma City, has not yet been confirmed as a tornado. Harper County Emergency Management Director says no injuries have been reported and the only known damage is a tree that was blown down onto a road. The previous record for the latest, first tornado at the start of a year in Oklahoma was April 26, set in 1962. Pike said more severe weather, including tornadoes, is possible Wednesday, with strong storms developing in mid-afternoon in western Oklahoma and moving north and east.